Hey guys, it's Viola in Wonderland, and this is not my most attractive look, but let's just ignore that and move on. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a new slime. I'm pretty sure it's never been made before, but it's like a hybrid slime kind of. I'm calling it fog slime because it's really thick and creamy, and it's like butter slime, but it's, anyway, you'll see in the video. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so to start, I am going to be using a 1/4 cup measure to put a 1/2 cup of glue in because I thought it was going to be easier to just use a 1/2 cup because we're going to be using a 1/2 cup for something else. Also, I'm going to be stirring with a butter knife because I can't find my spoon. So 1 and 2/4 a cup. You can totally do more if you like, doesn't matter. I just chose to do a 1/2 cup for this video. So I'm putting it in there, just putting it in my bowl. Okay, now you're going to be adding a teaspoon of baby oil, and this is actually totally 100% optional. And also the reason mine looks a little weird and like not the normal is because mine is lavender scented. So yeah. You do not have to use lavender scented. It's exactly the same thing, just with a lavender scent, so, you know, whatever. So now you're going to be mixing that up, and if you're going to be making one color, you can totally add your color here, but I'm going to be making 2 different colors, so I'll do that at the end. So now that it's thoroughly mixed up, you are going to need another bowl. So, 1 second while I grab my other bowl, it's just right here. Okay, so now you're going to dump half of your mixture. I should have just done this from the start, honestly, but just ignore that. So dump half of it about half of it into a separate bowl. So now for the first half, I'm going to be doing it here. You're going to be adding your coloring. So I'm using a blue and a yellow. You can use whatever colors that you would like. Doesn't matter at all. So now I'm going to be mixing that in. I love this color blue. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of powdered snow or hydro gel. I got mine off Amazon. It's called Insta Snow. So this is actually a teaspoon. I know that it doesn't look like one, but it is. I promise. It just came with it. So adding about 1 of those in, and then you're going to be mixing that together. Now this is the part that's a little bit tricky. You need to wait for about 5 minutes, but at 5 minutes, if it doesn't look super puffy, what you want is for the little snow thingies, whatever they're called, like the plasticky powder, whatever, to like puff up, but they can't get too puffy. I don't know, but about 5 minutes, and I'll show you what mine looks like after 5 minutes. So next we're going to the other half. So this also has baby oil in it, obviously. And so now I'm going to be mixing that up a little bit more, just in case it wasn't completely mixed up before, as I did with the other one. Now you're going to be adding your other color. I'm using yellow. Okay, so now you're going to mix that in. And now I'm going to be activating this one. So I'm using, I know it's a lot, but I promise this is actually a really good recipe, a 1/2 tablespoon to 1 cup. So make sure that you don't overactivate this. I promise you, it will not be good if you do. I'm actually going to pour a little bit of that out. So now you're just going to mix this up, and doesn't this actually look like egg yolk? It's really funny, but it totally does, doesn't it? So now you're just going to play around with it, just knead it, make sure that it's activated well, and it's not sticky, but you definitely do not want to overactivate it at all. I promise you, do not overactivate it, please. If you do overactivate it, you can either add a little bit more glue or not. No, don't use the hot water method because it will get jiggly, and you don't want it jiggly. That will not work very well. But you, or lotion. Lotion would work too. So now it's pretty sticky. So I'm just gonna knead it around a little bit, and I'll be back when it's done. So I'm back to show you the consistency that you're going to want it at. About this, you know, it's not sticky, but it's not overactivated. You can still stretch it, and it makes good poking noises and everything. So this is about the consistency that you want. Next, you're going to be adding, you're going to be making a cloud dough out of this. Make sure you're using white glue. So next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon. But don't add more until you know that you need to add more snow. Because if you do, it's going to fall out and it's not going to feel very nice, honestly. So now I'm just going to mix that in. And don't freak out when it doesn't look right. It doesn't look like this cloud dough you see on Instagram or whatever. Don't. Just wait. Let it sit for like 5 minutes. Let it get puffy. Just wait before you add more snow. That's my main thing here. Don't just start adding snow. You're like, when it looks like this and it just looks like there's like sand in it or something, don't freak out and add more snow, because that's a problem that a lot of people have when this is like first starts, even after a while making cloud dough. So make sure that you don't. So now that that is pretty much mixed in, again, like I just said, I'm going to let it sit on the side. So now we're going to go back to the original slime that we had. See, so I've let it sit and it's gotten puffy and all. So now I'm just going to mix it, and I did actually put a little bit of activator in there before from the extra that I had from the other slime. And it looks like I'm just going to have to knead it now. Definitely need more activator. I think I messed that up a little bit. So I'm going to just knead this for a while, and I'll be back to you when it's done. So I just finished, making them, finishing them. I actually did have to add a little bit more glue to this one because it just had a little bit too much snow in it, because I overestimated it after I split it. Because before I was making 2 groups, but I realized that I didn't have another bowl, another container to make it in, so that happened. But I added some more, and I added a little bit more baby oil after I accidentally overactivated it, and it should turn out something like this if you follow the directions perfectly. And then add about 1/4 cup more glue, I'd say. And then the other part, it made more, but the other part is in the container because I want half and half. And the other one, the cloud dough, looks like this. Really good, exactly what you want. It should look like this. They kind of look identical, but in the same way they don't. And they both spread pretty well. They both have very different textures. Can you hear this one? You might not be able to, but anyway, it's super sizzly. The other one, it's not really, but it's very crunchy. Okay, so now the fun part, you're gonna mix them. So I like to mix my slimes by like shaping them together in a way. So for this, I was thinking, like, what do these look like together? And I was like, I don't know. So instead, I made another one, that one I showed you in the beginning for the intro, the example. That was actually a green and a pink mixed together with black glitter to look like shaped like a watermelon slice. But these colors don't really have anything to do with each other in that way. That's easy. So I'm just gonna do is kind of shape them together, roll this one out a little bit more, push them back in, push them out, push like that. So it looks super cool, and it's like tie-dye in the middle, and then just swirl them. The first one comes out looking like that. The second one looks like this. Isn't that cool? So now you could mix them, finish mixing them together, or you could put them into your container. So in my case, I want to put them in my container, and I'll mix them for you guys in ASMR style. color. If you chose the right color combination, you should have a really pretty color like this. This is actually my second favorite color, so I absolutely adore it. And yeah, it should, at the end, if you followed all the instructions, right, you should come up with something looking like this. And it kind of has like a weird texture. It's like gummy, and it's essential that you make both types of slime to make this fog slime. It's actually really cool. I love it a lot. And it's basically a cloud cream and a cloud dough mixed together, but there's also a few special ingredients like the baby oil that are essential that just make the slime like it is. And it's super sizzly and it's so nice to play with. And all the stuff on my hands, I promise it's not actually sticky. It's from when I was making it. I'm just too lazy to go wash my hands. I've been playing with this. So yeah. Anyway guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you did and I can make more videos like this in the future. And also don't forget to subscribe, because when we have 50 subscribers, I will do a pie in the face challenge. And okay, I'm sorry, I can't speak today. And every other challenge that you guys want me to do that's, you know, fun and safe, obviously. And then for 100 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway and a whole bunch of other things. So just make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Bye! Thanks for watching.